Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I am back with another installment of the DeAgostini Collectibles American Cars Collection. This is a fantastic 1/43rd scale die-cast car collection, and some of the cars found within this collection you can only get from this set. So if you haven't done so already, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. I put a link and promo code below. So without further ado, let's get started on pack 14. And welcome back. This month I received pack 14 of the American Cars Collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. If you haven't done so already, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. It's fantastic. So this month I'll be reviewing cars number 51 through 54. And you can see the first car that we received is 51, the Monte Carlo from 1974. And car 52 is the Ford GT, the 2017 version. And car 53 is the Buick Wildcat from 1967. And lastly, the Chevrolet Impala SS 1968. So let's look at these cars here just real quick. Here's the Monte Carlo, the Ford GT, the Buick Wildcat, and lastly the Chevrolet Impala. But first, with pack 14 I did receive a free gift, and remember that when you subscribe to this yourself, check out the website and see what they offer for free gifts when you sign up for your subscription. So with pack 14 I did receive this 1/24 scale Indianapolis 500 pace car Mustang, and of course it's the 1964 convertible, blue carpet, white interior, beautiful. Look at the flags, that's impressive. Very nice. That's gonna look very nice with my collection of 1/24 scale die casts, so very impressed with that. Let's go ahead and look at our first car. Car 51 is the Chevrolet Monte Carlo from 1974. And here it is right there. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at the car. Black finish here, factory spoked wheels, great detail on the grille, side mirrors. I like the turn signal reflectors, they look great. Silver striping, black interior. Very nice. Very nice. Let's head over and do the next car. In the background to this case, hamburgers and chili. Looks like somewhere in New Mexico, possibly. And the next car is the Ford GT 2017 version. And here it is right here in its case. And it looks like we have North Carolina in the background there. Let's take it out of the case. Closer view of it. So this is in a charcoal gray. Love it. Great detail there. Love the side mirrors on it. Silver striping on top. Visibility of the engine on top. Looks like it has a black interior. And wonderful, wonderful representation of the Ford GT from 2017. It's great. And let's look at the next car. And the 53rd car is the Buick Wildcat from 1967. And here it is, the silver finish. Background looks like it could be in, it's hard to tell. Maybe down in Georgia somewhere. Let's take it out of the case. And here's a close-up of it. Wildcat looks awesome. I love the white wall tires. Grill work looks excellent. Windshield wiper blades, side mirror. Fantastic car. They don't make them like this anymore, that's for sure. Taillights on the top. Great finish on this. I mean, where else will you find a Buick Wildcat in 1/43rd scale but DeAgostini Collectables? Fantastic collection. It's wonderful. All right, let's look at the final car in this month's installment. So the final car in Pack 14 is car 54, Chevrolet Impala SS from 1968. Here it is right there. And we have New Mexico in the background. The land of enchantment. I used to call it the land of entrapment. I lived there for 8 years. And we'll go ahead and get a closer look. Close-up of this. Very dark red. Has the molding. Vinyl top. Chrome mirror. Black interior. Grille work looks outstanding. Tampo graphics on the tires. Chrome trim. Dual exhaust in the back. This is a popular car for making lowriders into. Very nice. And there you have it. That's all 4 cars reviewed for you in Pack 14. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be right back. And there you go, Pack 14 in the wraps. I enjoyed showing you close-up of the Monte Carlo from 1974, the Ford GT from 2017, the Buick Wildcat from 1967, and lastly, the Impala SS 427 from 1968. These are fantastic 1/43rd scale cars. Remember, you can only get these from DeAgostini Collectables. Head over there and check them out. I put a link and promo code down below. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.